So it's about 7:30 in the morning. Caught a couple of spots in this deck a little further down, so that's got all day to dry. I don't have time to sit here with heat and do it, so the earlier the better, right? I've been following this moisture all the way down. It's getting less and less, so I'm cutting less and less. So if anything, probably go from do this next 4 inches. There might be some moisture around this fitting, that kind of thing, but for the most part the deck seems pretty solid. There's definitely a water ridge underneath the glass that runs down the side. We'll find out how far that goes. It's getting pretty dry right here, but beyond this fitting is probably a bit of moisture, so keep doing that. And basically I've got to cut a bunch of glass for all of this, from the starboard side of the deck where it is finished here and already been glassed over. Up here there's no moisture on this side, so we haven't cut that out, and just going to glass over anyways for good measure, and glass over everything, all this filler and fiber. This has got like a good 6 layers on it, but I want to throw one last finish layer on top just to seal it all up. So I'll be cutting fiber for all of this, just a thin layer, and then putting the 5 to 6 layers on this bare wood, and going from there. So it's going to be a long day, basically.